I always like to clean my house on Saturday before Sunday, and this is because Sunday mornings I'm trying to wake up early, beat the morning traffic, because my church is not so close to my house, so I have to leave very early to make it on time to church. So I always take my Saturdays to clean the house. Even though on this particular Saturday I wasn't at home, I came back. This is around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. I guess, and I decided to sweep and mop the house and just get myself ready before the next day. And in this video, my brother was supposed to help me fix the curtain on the other window in my room because one of the hangers went off, and I was actually mad at him in this video that, okay, I'm busy cleaning and you are doing TikTok, why not fix the curtain while I'm cleaning? But boys now, you'll be like, let me do this one I'm doing first, and I will check it. And it turned out that the hanger we bought was smaller and we had to change it, and thereby wasting a lot of time. So here I am already getting my makeup done, getting myself ready for church, trying to glam myself up and look good for the Lord. Yes, so I'm done with my makeup and ready to go. Today we had a ministry fair in church. So ministry fair is an event where all the departments will come out, we'll have our stand, and we'll just try and make people join our department. We just try, and it's more like a marketing stuff where they tell everybody in church, if you would like to join this department, that department, you can go out, you look around and you just choose whichever department that suits you best. So we're outside calling people, sharing candies, sweets, mints, and getting people to join our department. Because my department is the best, hospitality department, and it was really fun. I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed hanging out with my colleagues in church. It was a really fun day in church. So if by chance you are considering coming to my church, the Elevation Church, you can join my department, the hospitality department.
Join hospitality!
This is 2:59. I just got back from church. I'm so tired. Oh, this is 3 p.m. already. I just got back from church. I'm so tired, exhausted, and there is still no electricity. NEPA is not giving us lights in 2 days or more. I don't even know. NEPA is not giving us lights in 2 days, and here I am. So I'm just going to go ahead and arrange my bed because my makeup is all over the place. I'm just going to arrange everything and then see if I can try and make jollof rice or jollof rice with beans together. So I'm thinking maybe that's what I'm going to do. After cooking, I'm going to see my mom. I'm just going to take these few seconds to talk about some key words that spoke to me in service today. So how we don't know the entirety of our life, and because we do not know, we tend to make mistakes by taking decisions that would affect us. because we don't know what God has planned for us in the future. Let me give an example. Let me use all single people. Let's say you feel like you're running out of time and you want to start a family, and you end up just marrying anybody for the sake of marriage and having kids. But that is not God's will for you. And because we cannot see tomorrow, we cannot see the future, we take things into our own hands without even knowing what God has planned for us. So I just want to encourage someone to keep trusting God and allow the Holy Spirit to guide you in all the decisions that you're going to take throughout this lifetime. All right, mommy in the kitchen cooking rice. So I'm cooking in the kitchen, and I just wanted to just show some stuff that I got, that I got at Balogun Market. Just a minute. So I went to the market to get like some gift items for clients, some complimentary stuff, and I decided to buy some things for myself. I said, why not share it right here? Please ignore the noise all over the place. I don't know what I'm going to do. There's no light, so everybody's generator is on. So I got this wrapper. So they said this one is a medium wrapper. There's big, there's medium, and there's small. Wow. So this one is medium, and it's really beautiful. I already have what I want to make with it, and I got handbags. So I'm not a fan of anyway, but I got this bag. What is the name? Rich and simple. No sha. So this is the bag. Really beautiful. The leather is nice. It's strong. So this is the handbag I got this, and it also has an inner bag. So I was really excited when I saw that it has a bag inside, and I can carry this one like on days like this that I go to church. I wouldn't want to carry this bag to church. I just want something that I can put my phone, my writing pad, and that's it. And this is just fine for that. And it also has a strap on it. I didn't even get the contact. Oh, it's plastic. I didn't even get the contact details of the person that I got it from. Yeah, I got two bags. So this color, this is a nude shade, and I also got black bag. So here is the black bag. This is a Susan Star bag. Susan Star. I don't know anything about designer. So this is the bag. Really nice leather. It's quite big. It's big anyway, but it's nice for official use. When I'm going out, this is a very beautiful bag. Oh man, very beautiful bag. I got this at Balogun Market. It also has an inner bag. It has 3 inner bags. I already gave my mom one of the purse, and this one, and the other one I already carried it to church. I wore it to church today. So it comes in this size. Very comfortable, chic bag. So I carried this one to church today. So that's all. What else did I get? I got some other little things that I can't even remember, but these are the main items that I got at Balogun Market. You can get a lot at Balogun Market. Balogun Market is Lagos Island Market. Clothes, turkey wears, nice wrapper. I found out a ready to wear kind of warehouse. Let's call it like ready to wear store. I'm coming, my food is burning. As I was saying, so I found a ready to wear section in that Balogun Market. Like they sell ready to wear. So that was what I wanted to get
to my clients. Like, I wanted to get really nice African made wares, nicely stoned, beaded Ankara fabrics, ready to wear, office wears, party wears. Now what they do here is that they place orders. There are people that make these clothes, so you can make order with the style that you want and they will deliver it. People that are already like are into ready to wear fashion business, that do not know how to make the clothes, or you don't have the time, you can go to this market and buy at wholesale prices and market it on your social media platforms with your own profit. You know, with your own, you can make your own profit. Or if you can even get the contact of the people that are actually making it for those people who are selling wholesale at the market, good for you. You get to make a whole lot of profit from that. So if you are looking into starting a ready to wear business, you should check out that market. I should have made a video, but it did not occur to me until I came back and I thought, this is a very good business idea. If you want to start a fashion business, you don't have to own a sewing machine. You don't need to hire tailors that will disappoint you. You can go to this market. You can even send your designs. You can tell them if you want to deal with the middleman, you buy from them at wholesale prices and you market on social media. Or you can even liaise with one of these people there. You can go to the shop, wear some of the clothes, make videos like you are the one that owns the shop, you know, videos, post on social media and make good money for yourself. Or they could send you the styles. And when people place orders, you just, you know, ship the products to them. This is a very good business idea that I thought that I should share with you. So I'm just going to go and eat now and head up to my mom's house. Today is my sister-in-law's birthday. I don't know if they're doing anything, but let me just go and see what's going on. See the lighting in this house, very bright. My house is so dark. Oh, I've never had a clear camera like this in my house. But see how this place is bright. Lipstick has clear.